This parapet detail is similar to V25 with Shorty on the slab edge. Notice that it has the same reinforcing except for its underpinning for the support of the parapet is slightly different. That's because of the position of the beam and the direction of the decking itself. Note again that the slab edge is in cantilever over the top of this beam. There is a back angle right here that ties backwards into the decking. All of this is welded to steel channels and steel tubing top and bottom for the parapet. What I'm going to do is take this apart and then put it back together again by simply hiding some of this information to see the layers of the construction underneath. This is the lightweight concrete deck. Here are those hook rebars around this continuous edge rebar that we saw in the other Shorty. These studs are welded through the plate, through the decking, into that perimeter beam. Note that the studs also come out of the face of the edge plate. Here's the edge plate. This contains or forms the edge of the concrete. The steel decking comes in sheets and is laid across the bar joist. Here's the underpinning. These are angle supports welded to the inside face of the perimeter beam and then attached to the underside of the steel decking. On the opposite side we see the same kind of struts coming out and grabbing the channels, vertical channels of the parapet. These T's support the edge plate. So to build this parapet, one would have the beam in place, decking over the top of the beam, install the edge plate over its brackets, probably install the stiffener brackets for the parapet at the same time, then attach the parapet framing, install the back brackets under the decking. This would include the studs holding those brackets to the decking, these shear studs, and the studs on the face of the edge plate. Install the reinforcing, and finally pour the concrete. That would be the construction of the parapet assembly all along the face of the roof line.